University of Agricultural Sciences, Bangalore is located in Bengaluru, India. It was established in 1964 as UAS Bangalore by a legislative act. The University of Agricultural Sciences, Bangalore known as has the main campus at GKVK, Bangalore and teaching campuses at Hassan, Mandya, Shimoga, Ponnampet and Chintamani. The university, in addition to main campus at GKVK, Bangalore, has colleges in 5 teaching campuses, offering degree programs in 7 disciplines and diplomas in 5 disciplines in agriculture and allied subjects, postgraduate programs in 22 disciplines at master's level including MBA, Agri-Business Management and 13 disciplines at PhD level. Research infrastructure consists of 21 research stations of which 6 are zonal agricultural research stations. The university extension provides service through extension education units, Krishi Vignana Kendras, Farmers Training Institute, Staff Training Unit, Bakery Training Unit, Agricultural Technology Information Center and Communication Center covering development and communication of farm information, farm advisory service, farm trials and demonstrations, village adoption, training of extension workers, farmers and farm women in addition to publication of scientific journals and other literature. The following colleges are comes in this university. College of Agriculture, Bangalore. College of Agriculture, Shimoga. College of Agriculture, Mandya. College of Agriculture, Hassan. College of Forestry, Ponnampet. College of Sericulture, Chintamani. Admission in this university is done on the basis of entrance exam. You can do the following courses from this university. BSc Agriculture, BTech. Agricultural Engineering, BSc. Agricultural Biotechnology, BSc. Horticulture Science, BSc. Forestry, BSc. Sericulture, BTech. Food Science, MSc. Agricultural Entomology, MSc. Agricultural Extension Education, MSc. Agricultural Microbiology, MSc. Plant Pathology, MSc. Soil Science and Agricultural Chemistry, MSc. Agricultural Economics, MSc. Horticulture, MSc. Agronomy, MSc. Genetics and Plant Breeding, MSc. Crop Physiology, MSc. Agricultural Statistics, MSc. Plant Biochemistry, MSc. Seed Science and Technology, MSc. Olericulture, MSc. Horticulture, Floriculture and Landscaping, MSc. Sericulture, MTech. Soil Water Conservation Engineering, MSc. Horticulture, Fruit Production and Post-Harvest Technology, MTech. Post-Harvest Processing and Food Engineering, MSc. Plant Biotechnology, MSc. Agril. Marketing and Cooperation, MSc. Forestry, MSc. Agricultural Economics and Business Management, PhD. Agriculture Microbiology, MSc. Vegetable Science, PhD. Soil Science and Agriculture Chemistry, PhD. Agricultural Entomology, PhD. Plant Pathology, PhD. Agriculture Extension, PhD. Horticulture, PhD. Agronomy, PhD. Genetics and Plant Breeding, PhD. Crop Physiology, PhD. Sericulture, PhD. Seed Science and Technology, PhD. Plant Biotechnology. University provides many facilities to its students, like the university has separate hostel facilities for male and female students. There are separate hostels for PG and UG students. Each hostel is equipped with a common room, hostel library, color TV, chattel for guest room, indoor games room etc. The institute provides library facilities to its students and staff members. There are around 25,000 plus books of different domains for the students. A number of research papers, periodicals and e-books are also available in the library. Colleges have all facilities for sports practice for the students. Various sports-related programs are organized in the university to encourage the students to participate in sports. The university has a placement cell for placement of students which provides information and guidance for better placement of young graduates of the university. It organizes many seminars, lectures, coaching classes for the students. It provides placement information to students and also arranges campus interviews. It also organizes personality development career guidance lectures from time to time. Agriculture graduates are selected by various agriculture companies in the university. Average package is 2 lakhs. Research Directorate has been established for research work in the university. Where agricultural scientists do research, this university has developed many improved varieties of cereals, pulses, oilseeds, which are useful in increasing agricultural production in the state of Karnataka. Friends, how did you like our video? Tell us by commenting. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for the preparation of agricultural examinations. Thank you.